Supreme Court has ruled in favor of a former high school football coach, saying he has a constitutional right to pray on the field. A law professor at U of H weighs in on the ruling and says the high court is further closing the gap between church and state. Joseph Kennedy, a former high school football coach in Washington State, would hold post-game prayer on the field, with students joining him. But in 2015, the Bremerton School District claimed it violated the First Amendment.
The school district here did just the right thing to respect and protect the rights of the kids and their parents.
But the Supreme Court ruled in favor of Kennedy.
People of faith or no faith, everybody has the same rights, and that's what the Constitution is all about.
Kennedy's lawyers argued no students were ever pressured to join him in prayer. But Professor Seth Chandler says the case was so complex that instead of arguing the law, the justices didn't seem to agree on the facts.
The majority characterizes what the coach is doing as this quiet, private prayer. But in fact, at least on many prior occasions, there are photographs of the coach being surrounded by members of his own team and of the opposing team with helmets held high, indicating that this wasn't so private.
Justice Sonia Sotomayor wrote in her dissent that coercive pressures on the students to join in the prayer were inherent. But Justice Neil Gorsuch argued there was no evidence of coercion. Chandler says the ruling has blurred lines.
If you don't coerce and it's not exactly during the game, then you could have a Jewish prayer, Satanist prayer, Muslim prayer, whatever the particular coach wanted to do.